Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on Arklatex.Homepage.com as well as the Arklatex.Homepage.com app. And looking at our weather pattern, you can see what is taking shape right now. We do have upper level ridging, which is keeping us dry today, but just to our west. Another one of those pretty good upper level disturbances here. Now moving through Southern California, northern Baja California. This disturbance is going to move to the east and will bring us a round of potentially some more heavy rain across much of the region, and we'll even have a chance for some thunderstorms with this disturbance, some of which could be on the strong side. We'll talk about that severe weather risk here in a second. Meantime, let's talk about what's on the way for tonight as we are looking at quiet conditions across the Arklatex as the clouds begin to increase. We're looking at lows tonight probably in the 40s across the region. Daytime highs tomorrow, despite lots of clouds, could be a few degrees above what we've experienced today. Looking at 58 degrees in Texarkana, 62 in Shreveport, 63 in Arklatex, and 62 for the daytime high tomorrow in Carthage. So, that said, let's talk about that disturbance which is on the way and show you the timing of things here. First of all, with Robin Sawyer to Futurecast taking you through the nighttime hours tonight, we will see a clear sky this evening, but as we go through the late night hours tonight, clouds will be on the increase across much of the Arklatex. Those clouds will only increase as we go through the day tomorrow. Possibility for a scattered shower, especially late in the day and especially during the evening and especially over the northwestern half of the Arklatex. Notice how that rain increases here for Thursday. Could have some thunder with this activity. I don't expect any of this activity to be severe, just given the fact that we're not going to have enough instability in place. This will push on through. We'll see a dry slot move in, could see a little bit of sunshine. You can see a second wave of thunderstorms could develop Thursday afternoon over parts of East Texas, Southeast Texas. That could rotate across the southeastern half of the Arklatex and give us a possibility that a couple of those cells could briefly become severe. All severe weather threats will be possible. And then we'll be shifting that off to the north and east, and we'll be left with periods of rain, perhaps a little bit of thunder even Thursday night into Friday. As the main upper level feature moves across, you can see what could be a persistent rain over parts of the Arklatex. Where this sets up is still somewhat in question, but if it does set up as it is, you're going to see some rather impressive rainfall totals once again. And then going through Friday night, we'll see the rain begin to lift on off towards the north and east. We'll start off Saturday with lots of clouds. We will end Saturday with lots of sunshine, and that sunshine will likely stick around through much of next week. Rainfall potential, that's going to be one concern with this system, especially if these numbers were to verify. This is what Futurecast is indicating, anywhere from 1 to over 3 inches of rainfall possible in spots. Could be a bit overdone, but I would at least expect 1 to 2 across most of the region. And of course, given the 4 to 6 that just fell less than a week ago, flooding also will be a concern as we go through the next couple of days. Here's a look at the excessive rainfall outlook from the Weather Prediction Center, showing that very similar to the severe weather outlook, it has that marginal, slight, moderate, and high. Right now, this have marginal over the northeast edge of the area. Possibility this could expand somewhat to cover the rest of the Arklatex, but nonetheless, possibility we could have a few isolated reports of flooding across the region. And you can see here with that disturbance coming in, it quickly moves on through a big upper level low. As it moves across Friday night, it can't totally rule out a few flakes of snow, but not going to cause any concerns. And you can see moving into next week, we will see by Tuesday upper level ridging, which is going to keep us dry. This disturbance looks like it's going to take a more southerly course, and most of the rain associated with it may stay to the south of the Arklatex. But if it does take a more northerly course, we could see it begin to affect us by the last half of next week. But right now, it looks like most of the rain could stay towards south. We'll be watching this system very, very closely. I mentioned that severe weather risk. This is the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. Again, we have 1 to 5, marginal, slight, enhanced, moderate, high, marginal. In other words, only 1 so far from the Storm Prediction Center. If we have a slight risk drawn on this tomorrow or Thursday, probably will be to the over the southeastern, say, quarter of the Arklatex, south and east of Shreveport. And again, all severe weather threats will be on the table, including the possibility for an isolated tornado or two as we go through Thursday, late Thursday afternoon through Thursday evening, and then we will be just looking at basically just some rain. So all that said, here's your forecast for the next 7 days, and you can see tomorrow, lots of clouds, possibility for that scattered shower, low 60s for daytime highs, mid 60s for Thursdays. We'll see that brief period of some afternoon sunshine combined with the south wind to warm us up. 56 Thursday morning, so we'll have a warmer start. It won't take much to get us up into the middle 60s if we do see a brief period of afternoon sunshine. We will see that area of rain in the morning, another area of rain in the afternoon and evening. That rain will persistently stick around through Friday, perhaps even Friday night, and then we'll see the return of lots of sunshine for most of Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Notice daytime highs Friday only at 51, upper 50s for Saturday, low 60s for Sunday, Monday. We'll stay in the upper 50s to low 60s in Shreveport for the middle part of next week. Overnight lows relatively close to normal. In fact, these temperatures you're seeing here pretty close to where we should be for the middle part of December. In Texarkana, you're looking at similar numbers with highs tomorrow at 58, 64 for Thursday, as I'm not too concerned about severe weather for you in Texarkana. Looks like most of it, if we have any, will be to your south and east. Notice from Saturday through Tuesday, you too looking dry with highs mid to upper 50s to around 60. Overnight lows for you also relatively close to normal in the upper 30s to lower 40s. So all in all, it looks like another one of those strong disturbances will be making its way across the region. Biggest chance for the heavier rains will be late Thursday night. Also could see some decent rain Thursday morning, and then we'll see some sunshine return just in time for the weekend.